morning everyone, this is Urvashi Kalra. Today we will discuss the division of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. In our last video we discussed the multiplication of decimals. In this video we will discuss the division of decimal. Now come to first type of division, that how we will divide the decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Means how can we divide the decimal number by powers of 10. So look here, for dividing a decimal number by power of 10, what we have to do? You have to shift the decimal point. The decimal point shift to its left as many places as the number of zeros. Means we have to shift the decimal place to its left. The decimal place will be shifted towards the left as many number of zeros are here. So for example, in this case we are having 1 0. 12.5 divided by 10. So in 10 we are having only 1 0. In this we are having 1 0. So the decimal place will shift toward left. We know in division the decimal will shift toward left, and it will, as here we are having 1 0, so it will shift toward one place to left. ये कितना place shift होगा? It will shift toward one place to left. So we have to put the decimal here after 2. So this will written as 1.25. So if I divide 12.5 by 10, what will we get? We will get 1.25. In the same way, if I have to divide 426.7 divided by 100. So look here everyone, in this case we are having 2 zeros. How many zeros are there? We are having 2 zeros. So the decimal place will shift toward left. As for division, decimal place will shift toward left. And how many places it will shift? It will shift to 2 places, as we are having 2 0. So shift it to 2 places to left, 1 and 2. Means after 4 we have to put the decimal. So we will write it as 4.267. We will write it as 4.267. Now come to third example. Supposedly if I have to divide 1962.52 divided by 1000. If I have to divide these two numbers, so you have to count the number of zeros. Here we are having 3 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we are having 3 zeros here. So the decimal place will shift toward 3 places to left. Decimal place will shift toward 3 places to left. 1, 2 and 3. So the decimal will come after 1. So it will written as 1.9625. The number remains as it is. जो number है वो same रहेगा. Number remains same. Only the decimal will shift toward left according to number of zeros. Now come to one more example. Supposedly, if I have to divide 2.4 by 100. If I have to divide 2.4 by 100, so how will we divide it? In this we are having 2 zeros. कितनी जीरो है हमारे पास? We are having 2 zeros, so we have to shift the decimal toward 2 places to left. So shift it. Supposedly, if 2.4 can be also written as 2.4, we can write it as like this also. No? These are same number. If I write it as like this, then shifting will be easy. So look here everyone. Now in this case we have to shift the decimal place toward 2 digit to left. Shift it 1 place and after that 2 place. Means this is first place and this is second place. Means before 0 we have to put the decimal. So if I write the number as like this, supposedly our answer is, you know, our answer is 0.024. हमारा आंसर क्या आया? 0.024. So I am again explaining this. If you write this number, now decimal is here. You know that decimal is here. You have to shift it toward 2 places. This is first place and this is second place. Before 2 places we have to put the decimal. As a decimal was here, before decimal was here, after shifting the decimal will come here after shifting the 2 places. So first place and second place. As you can see that on second place is vacant. Second place is vacant. So second place will be taken by 0. So what you have to remember, if any place is vacant with us, अगर हमारे पास कोई place खाली है, that place will be filled by 0. Now come to next type of division. that how we divide a decimal by a whole number. Division of decimal by a whole number. So in this case, firstly you have to know that what do you mean by whole number. Whole number क्या होता है? As you know, whole number are the numbers which started from zero. So the number which started from zero are known as whole number. So in this we will discuss the division of a decimal number by a whole number. एक decimal number का whole number से कैसे division करते हैं. So look here everyone, what we have to do, you have to put the decimal point in the product. Whatever your answer is, you have to put the decimal point as many places as the number of decimal places in dividend. You have to put the decimal here as many number of decimal places in dividend. So in this decimal is here before one digit. So in this also you have to put the decimal before one digit. In this case, as you can see that the dividend, in dividend you are having the decimal before the two digit. So in product also you have to put the decimal before the two digit. So what you have to do, firstly, supposedly if I have to divide 2.4 divided by 2. So for doing the division, firstly what you have to think, you have to suppose that decimal is not there. You have to suppose that decimal is not there. If decimal is not there, you will divide it as like this, 24 divided by 2. अगर आपका decimal नहीं होगा तब आप इसको इस तरीके से divide करेंगे that 24 is divided by 2. When we divide 24 by 2, what will we get? We will get 12 as our answer. So now where you put the decimal, अब आप decimal कहाँ लगाएंगे? So in this case, in dividend you are having the one digit in the last after the decimal. Decimal के बाद आपके पास कितने digit है? You are having one digit. So in product also you have to put the decimal before one digit counting from last. So before one digit, this is only one digit, counting from last you have to put the decimal. Now in this case, supposedly if you have to divide 1.24 divided by 4. So what you have to think, you have to suppose that a decimal is not there. So if a decimal is not there, you will divide 124 by 4. अगर decimal नहीं होगा, then you will divide 124 by 4. Divide it simply. When you divide 124 by 4, what will you get? You will get 31 as your answer. Now where you have to put the decimal, so decimal will be put. So look here everyone, in this, in dividend we are having the decimal before the two digit, counting from last we are having the decimal before the two digit. So in this in our product also we have to put the decimal before the two digit, counting from last. This is first digit, this is second digit. So before two digit we have to put the decimal, and this place is vacant, we will fill this place by 0, or you can simply write it as 0.31 also. That one is also correct. So in this way we can divide a decimal by a whole number. Now come to next type of division, how we divide a decimal by another decimal. That how can divide a decimal number by another decimal number. So what we have to do in this, what you have to make sure, you have to make the divisor as a whole number. Firstly make the divisor a whole number. How we will make the divisor a whole number? We can make it by shifting the decimal point to its right. In this case, divisor is 6.3. So we will make it a whole number by shifting the decimal towards to its right. We can, if I shift the decimal towards to its right, then it becomes a whole number. So firstly we have to make divisor a whole number. After that, then in dividend what we have to do? In dividend also we have to shift the point. As we are shifting in denominator, so in numerator also we have to do shifting of decimal. हम denominator में shifting कर रहे हैं decimal की, तो numerator में भी करनी होगी. So in dividend also shifting, we have to do the shifting of the point to its right. हमें shifting करनी है to its right as the number of decimal places in divisor. जितनी shifting हमने divisor में की थी, the same number of shifting will be done in dividend. Okay. So supposedly now take an example. Supposedly if I have to divide 23.94 divided by 6.3. So in doing this division, I can write it as like this: 23.94 divided by 6.3. So now in this case, we are having only 1 3 after the decimal in divisor. In divisor we are having only 1 3. So we have to shift the decimal toward one place to write for making it a whole number. So if I am doing shifting toward one place to write in denominator, in numerator also I have to do shifting toward one place to the right. So if in denominator the shifting will be done as like this, toward one place to right. Now it becomes 63. In numerator also we have to do shifting toward one place to right. So after shifting, numerator becomes 239.4. Before shifting, the numerator is 23.94. After shifting, the decimal will shift toward one place of right. It becomes 239.4 divided by 63. As I already told you how to divide a decimal by a whole number. So in this case, what you have to think? You have to suppose that we have to divide this. We have to suppose now that we have to divide this without taking the decimal. So divide it simply. So we will divide it simply. After that, where you have to put the decimal. As in this case, after decimal we are having only one digit. So means counting from last we have to shift the decimal before one digit. So before one digit counting from last we have to shift the decimal. So our answer is 3.8. In the same way you can shift the decimal. Okay. Now we will discuss some other topics of this chapter in our next video.